Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use your hyaluronic acid and your salicylic acid in the same skincare routine. So the first thing you want to do is to cleanse your face with your facial cleanser, cleanser of your choice. And in today's video, the salicylic acid I'll be using is from Paula's Choice. So it's a Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, and then the hyaluronic acid I'll be using is from Nip and Fab. So what you want to do first is, after cleansing your face, you follow up with your salicylic acid. So you can either use this on a cotton pad if you want to, wipe all over your face. I'm just going to show you that in a moment. Why I used the Paula's Choice first again is that the consistency, see, if you see, it's quite see, it's very liquidy, so it's very runny as opposed to the hyaluronic acid. So see, the hyaluronic acid is thicker in consistency. So that is what the hyaluronic acid looks like. So you always want to pair it in such a way that the lighter consistency, the lighter product goes on before the thicker product. You know, consider if you want to use a cotton pad with your Paula's Choice. I don't know how you use it, but I'll show you the two ways you can use this salicylic acid. So the first way is to use your cotton pad. So you just add some on the cotton pad like so, and then you wipe your face in an upward motion like so. So make sure to, you know, take your time, wipe your face and wipe it gently. I absolutely love this salicylic acid from Paula's Choice. And if you do not know, this is highly recommended for people with acne prone skin, oily skin. Basically, if you have dry skin, you necessarily do not need salicylic acid. So salicylic acid is mostly for people with acne prone skin and oily skin. So if you're using cotton pad, that's what you want to do. And you also want to, you know, wipe your neck as well. If you do not want to waste the product by using a cotton pad, add a few drops on your hand like so, and then you do what? You pat it on your skin, on your face like so. This is what you want to do. So you pat it on your face. So I give you two options. Either you use the cotton pad or you pat it on your skin. You still get good, you know, the benefits, because basically what salicylic acid does is that it unclogs the pores. It really goes in and, you know, decongest the pores. It eats up all those rubbish things in the pores, clogging up pores. The next thing you want to do is to follow up with your hyaluronic acid. And hyaluronic acid is amazing because it's able to hold, you know, 1,000 times of its weight in water. And I know most of you already know that. And again, one thing you have to know is that hyaluronic acid really helps, you know, other skincare products, you know, to deliver the ingredients really deep in. So if you use hyaluronic acid, like if you pair hyaluronic acid with other skincare products, like you get the results even better. Like you get even you know, boosted results. Basically, that's it. So hyaluronic acid helps to, you know, boost effects of whatever skincare product you're using. So I'm just using 2 drops like so, and then pat it on my face, and that's how you want to use it, like so. If you observed, you would have seen that my face was still a bit, you know, damp from the from using Paula's Choice. You always want to, you know, apply your hyaluronic acid on damp skin. If you happen to use your hyaluronic acid without the salicylic acid, you want to apply it on a damp skin. So you can use your toner to damp your skin, or you can use water, but ensure your skin is damp. I honestly love this combination. So that's how you want to apply it. And then after this, you wait a little while for, you know, everything to absorb in before you follow up with your moisturizer, any moisturizer of your choice. But like I said, for you to use salicylic acid, that means you have oily skin, you have like acne prone skin, and so the next thing you want to follow up with is to use a good, you know, an oil-free moisturizer, one that is not greasy, because you don't want to clog your pores. Now after all this hard work, you start putting, you know, heavy creams or anything that will clog your pores. After moisturizing your face, end up with an SPF in the daytime. Make sure you end with an SPF in the daytime. At nighttime, no need to put on SPF. But even if you use this at nighttime, in the daytime, make sure you wear SPF. So you have to wear SPF daily as long as you're using these products. Like, especially if you're using this product, you must wear, you know, broad spectrum SPF. That has to be it for today's video. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. And if you have other, you know, suggestions, other kinds of videos you'd like to see on my channel or other questions, let me know as well. Drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one.